Hi crafters, this is Jen at My Scrap Menagerie. I'm going to show you today how to make some really cute St. Patty's Day stickers. So first let's open the file that you would have downloaded. We're working with the .svg file. So let's go up to open and double click on the SVG. Might take a few minutes to download. To open, sorry. I'm not really sure why. I'll have to look into that. Now that it's open, we want the registration marks to show. So we go over to open the page setup panel. And we go over and click the registration marks icon up top. Put it to on, and I like to turn the thickness up to 1 just to make sure that my silhouette's going to see those registration marks. Anyway, now we're going to send it to the printer. So you go up here to the top, click Send to Printer. So if you are going to be printing your stickers on vinyl, actually, I will be doing them on both sticker paper and Cricut Vinyl. So let's say you're going to use the vinyl to print on. I ended up having to go in and switch my preferences. The sticker paper wasn't a problem to print on, but the vinyl had a bit of a problem. So click on Preferences, go to Paper Type. So you might have to play with this setting on your printer if you're having trouble. And I had to go down and select Photo Paper Glossy. And here it says it's going to change paper source to auto select. That's okay. But I did change it back to rear paper feed slot. Whatever. I'm sure you could figure that out wherever you want it to pull the paper from. So then you can click OK. Now you select Print. I'm just going to cancel because I've printed my stickers already. All right, so if you're working with craft vinyl or sticker paper, I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, so this is my sticker paper. If you can see that. Okay, it's fairly thin. Now, when I went to print the vinyl, it didn't go through very good. As you can see right here, there's some ghosting on that and down here. And over on this side, it kind of caught this corner and kind of flubbed up there. So that wasn't that great. And then you've got the double line from the registration marks there. So that wasn't too good. But then I changed the printer settings, as I just told you earlier, switching it to Photo Paper Glossy. And this is what it came out like. And that looks beautiful. Just lovely, vivid color. And it just turned out great. So you can see this is the sticker paper compared to the vinyl. The vinyl is a lot brighter, bolder color. But the sticker paper's not too bad either. So it's up to you what you want to print on. I just thought I'd do both just to be fun. And yeah, this is the bad vinyl, the bad print. As you can see, the colors didn't quite come out either. They weren't as bold. So try your different settings on your printer. That's an important tip. Now we are ready to cut. So we're going to go up here to our Send panel, Click on that. Now, I'm not sure why it's flubbing up here, but it doesn't matter right now because you're going to go along the top. You're going to select line because we're going to print by the line color, which is actually the red line that is the offset that I made for this file. So we're just going to cut along the red line. So you see here, it cuts around each of the stickers. And then you want to go over and select your material. Now first we're going to do the sticker paper that I have. The one that I'm using is quite thin, so instead of selecting sticker paper, I'm going to try washi sheets because it is quite thin. And just to double check, we'll make sure the action is to cut. And then the tool is set to auto blade. Okay, we are going to do the thin sticker paper first. That's this one. Now we're going to put it on a not too sticky mat because we don't want a bunch of the sticker paper to stay on the mat. And believe me, I've done that. So this mat isn't too sticky. So we're going to place our sticker sheet on here. Now, if it really isn't sticky at all, you could even use a piece of painter's tape just to secure it. So that's what I'll do on this one because my mat is quite used. So let's just stick a little piece of painter's tape on here just to keep it from moving around. So we'll put that one up there. Now we'll put it through our silhouette machine to cut. Now you can go ahead and send it to cut. Okay, now we're going to cut our sheet of Cricut vinyl. So we still have the line color, of course, and our material, we're going to select vinyl, and it's just a matte vinyl. I believe that's the right one to choose here. Printable. We're going to choose printable vinyl. Hopefully this will work. I haven't done this yet before. But anyway, we got printable vinyl, and we're cutting it, and we're using the auto blade. Okay, so now for the Cricut vinyl, I'm going to use a sticky mat because you don't want your vinyl backing to be moving around while you're weeding. So I'm using a much stickier mat this time. So just make sure that you do that. So when you're using vinyl, sticky mat. That's important. Okay, we're going to put this on here. Make sure it goes on there really nicely. No bubbles. And let's put it in our machine. So now you just want to send it to cut. Cross your fingers. Okay, I just realized I told you to do it on a sticky mat. So for weeding. Well, you're not weeding these, are you? So never mind. Sometimes I don't know what the heck I'm saying sometimes. Okay. Anyway, you just want to peel this off of your mat. And now you've got a wonderful sticker sheet. Doing it on vinyl makes it a lot more durable. So you might want to do that. Or use the sticker sheets too. Sticker sheets are great. And the ones I have used here are fairly cheap. So you get 100 sheets and it's quite cheap. So either way, you are done. Now once you've done your stickers, you can use them in your planner. Just decorate as much as you want. And since I put 2 sets on a page, you should have plenty of stickers to use. And they're just really cute. And there you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So have fun making your stickers.